Hey everyone, let's talk about something that's honestly a lifesaver and surprisingly delicious too. We're going to dive into the world of cooking without fire, which is perfect for those times you either can't or, just don't feel like firing up the stove. You know that feeling, right? That sinking feeling when you're all set to cook a meal, you're starving, and then you realize the gas is gone? Ugh, it is the worst. But what if I told you that moment doesn't have to be a total disaster? Right. First things first, don't panic. Seriously, because you have got options. And I'm talking about delicious, super healthy, and incredibly easy options that don't need a single flicker of a flame. So, what is this magic we're talking about? Well, it's called no flame cooking, and it's exactly what it sounds like. It's this whole art of making amazing meals using techniques that just completely skip the stove. It's like a whole new world of food creativity just waiting for you. And the benefits? They're just fantastic. We're talking about meals that are so simple to put together, they're unbelievably fast, and a lot of the time, they're actually healthier. Why? Because you're not blasting them with heat, so all those good, delicate nutrients like certain vitamins, they just stick around. It's a total win-win-win. Okay, so our first method is soaking. You can think of this one as your secret weapon for healthy eating. It's all about planning ahead just a little bit to create some seriously nutritious and filling dishes. Just look at these examples. You've got poha. That's a flattened rice. All you do is soak it for 5 minutes, add a little salt and lemon, and boom, it's ready. Or if you want a real nutritional powerhouse, soak some chickpeas or mung beans overnight. Soaking does this amazing thing where it makes all the nutrients easier for your body to absorb. The mung beans even start to sprout, which kicks their health value into high gear. See, a little bit of planning goes a long, long way. But hey, what if you didn't plan ahead? What if you're hungry right now? No worries at all. That brings us to our second method, mixing. This is your go-to for that instant gratification. It's fast, it's fresh, and it's packed with flavor. And this just shows you how awesome mixing can be. I mean, a classic sandwich piled high with fresh veggies, that's the ultimate no-flame meal, right? Or maybe you want a savory snack like bel puri. You just mix puffed rice with some tangy chutneys and veggies. It's an absolute explosion of taste. And for dessert, a fresh fruit salad with a little drizzle of honey. It just doesn't get any faster or tastier than that. So which one do you choose? Well, it's not really a competition. They're just two different tools for your kitchen. Soaking is the champion when you're aiming for that deep nutrition, especially with things like beans and greens. But yeah, it takes a little planning. Mixing, on the other hand, is the undisputed king of speed. It's perfect for when hunger strikes right now, and it's so versatile for salads and snacks. So, the main thing to take away from all this is simple. Running out of gas isn't a crisis anymore. It's just an opportunity to try something new. Whether you have hours to plan or just 5 minutes, you are now totally prepared to whip up something both delicious and healthy. So, just remember this little mantra, okay? No flame, no problem. There's zero tension when you know these methods. It's all about being creative and working with what you've got. What we've talked about today really just scratches the surface. There are so many possibilities. So now I've got to turn the question over to you. What's your absolute favorite go-to recipe when you can't use the stove? Let us know. Let's get some more amazing ideas flowing.